In the tumultuous 18th century, a religious revival swept across the American colonies, igniting a spiritual awakening that would forever change the landscape of faith in the New World. This movement, known as the Great Awakening, began in the 1730s and would become a defining moment in the history of evangelicalism. The seeds of the Great Awakening were sown in the fertile soil of New England, where the Reverend Jonathan Edwards preached a sermon in Enfield, Connecticut, that would set the stage for a spiritual awakening. On July 8, 1741, Edwards delivered his now famous sermon, "Sinners in the Hands of an Angry God." The sermon, a powerful critique of human depravity, resonated with the people, stirring a sense of fear and urgency in the hearts of the congregation. The crisis of the Great Awakening was rooted in the perceived spiritual apathy of the colonists. Many believed that the people had grown complacent in their faith, and the fire of true spiritual conviction had been extinguished. The awakening aimed to rekindle that fire, to awaken the slumbering souls of the colonists and call them back to a more fervent and heartfelt faith. The action of the Great Awakening was characterized by passionate preaching, emotional outpourings, and mass conversions. Evangelists like George Whitefield and Jonathan Edwards traveled from town to town, igniting a fire of religious fervor wherever they went. People wept, shouted, and fell to their knees, moved by the powerful messages of these itinerant preachers. The Great Awakening had far-reaching consequences for the colonies. It led to the establishment of new denominations, including the Methodist Church and the Baptist Church, and it sparked a renewed interest in Christianity among the colonists. The awakening also challenged the established church hierarchy, as the new, more emotional style of preaching challenged the more traditional, intellectual approach of the established churches. The Great Awakening also had a profound impact on American society as a whole. It helped to forge a sense of national identity, as the colonies were united in their shared faith. It also contributed to the growing dissatisfaction with British rule, as the Awakening's emphasis on individual salvation and self-reliance resonated with the colonists' growing desire for independence. In the end, the Great Awakening was more than just a religious revival. It was a cultural and social movement that would shape the course of American history. Its legacy can still be felt today, as evangelicalism remains a powerful force in American society, and its influence can be seen in the countless churches, denominations, and ministries that trace their origins back to the Great Awakening. The movement was a spark that ignited a flame, and that flame continues to burn brightly in the hearts of those who believe in the power of faith to transform lives and shape nations.